Hello everyone, I'm Jason. Hope you are doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money online for free. I'll be showing you a website that others are using at the moment to make money online without no investment at all. So once you're able to watch this video, you'll be able to earn money. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, as you'll be able to use this website and make money from anywhere in the world on any device, whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone or your laptop or PC, you'll still be able to make money. I'm very excited to bring to you this offer, so be sure to stick around until the end. The website that I'm talking about is called Tip. So you simply want to type in TIPP, so TIPPP, and you're going to log in. Once you have logged in, you can quickly enter your email address and create a password and fill out the little questions that they'll be asking at the front. And once you have done that, you will be redirected to the dashboard you see right here. And depending on the country you are in, you will see different offers on how much you can make. And by the way, once you have signed up, you will already have earned some points, as you can see here. And by the way, 1,000 points equal $1. And don't worry about the withdrawal options, as there are numerous options on how you can withdraw, and we'll get into that in a bit later. But the first option you can do if you would want to start making some money with this site, you can simply scroll down and you will be directed to their offer wall section. And from here you can see where you can play games, complete surveys. There are numerous options on which you can use to start making money using this website. And you can see right here, for 50,000 points, you can simply complete these surveys. And as I said earlier, depending on the country you're in, you will have even more options and even more money to earn. So if you're in the United States or Canada or the United Kingdom, you'll have more options and you'll be able to earn even more money. And there are persons that are earning a lot of money daily using this website. As if I were to tap on the leaderboard option at the top right here, you can see this person at the moment in the US has made over 73,000 points thus far, and you can see the bonus that they have gotten right here. That's the thing about this website. They also pay you a bonus, but as you can see while I'm scrolling down, majority of the persons that are at the top of the list tend to come from tier 1 countries. And by tier 1 countries, I mean countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Those countries would be considered tier 1. So as you can see here, Netherlands, the United States, but it still isn't a deter from trying this website, as you can definitely make money in your free time using this website, as there are numerous options to select from. As you can see here, if you should tap on the fire flame option in the top left hand corner, you can see other ways how you can earn daily bonuses and daily points by simply scrolling down and completing different offers, as you can see right here. It's quite easy to earn money using this website. Now that I've shown you how to earn money on this website and how others are earning and how much they're earning daily, let me show you the options that you can find to withdraw your reward. You're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you'll simply tap on this option right where you see the 3 cards, and it will bring you right here. And here you'll see the option redeem, and from here you'll simply select the gift card option. Here are a few examples of the options that you can use to withdraw, and these options will vary depending on the country you're in. So you can select whether you want an Amazon gift card, or if you would like to withdraw via crypto token or Visa, or if you'd want a Nike gift card. And there are numerous other options. Once you have earned the required amount, $10, as you can see right here, you can simply tap right there, then tap on redeem now, and you will see the options. But at the moment I don't have sufficient amount, but I will definitely be using this website a lot to make some spare change. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and definitely give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And if you like videos like these on how to make money online from the comfort of your home or anywhere, be sure to hit the subscribe button as I release daily videos.